Hello YouTube, this is the higher 5000 BTU air conditioner. At least I think it is anyways. There's no data on it anywhere. This is a take two because my phone decided it was going to completely jack up the audio. Thankfully I got that figured out, so this is take two. This is also on a new tripod, which for some reason is not centered. That's better. This is one of the first air conditioners I used, other than the one that you can kind of see in the corner. I wanted to get a video on that, but it doesn't work right now. Typical electronic controls. That's besides the point, though. So, this I don't know anything about. There's no data on it at all. You can see there's like no information. It's got a broad ocean motor in it. I don't know if you'll be able to see it or not. And excuse the rain sounds because I'm in the attic. It's got a Recce compressor. I did tear it apart and look at it. It is definitely a Recce precision compressor, as I thought it was, but of course it's been kind of a debate over the last year trying to figure out what was in this dang thing. And you'll notice the board, that piece of wood that's stuck onto it, because there's nothing really keeping it from slipping out on the underside of it. So this is my dad's air conditioner. He modified it to that way. Here's the plug. Just right here, GFI. Yes, I'm plugging it into a power strip. Yes, you know you're not supposed to do that, but it's just for the video and it doesn't pull that much power anyway. Although you might see the light flicker a bit, or dim down, or whatever. The thermostat on this thing's not doing too good. It's kinda shot, but it's actually not doing that too much. It looks like he actually put his own temperature on here, so it's got 80 degrees, 70 something, then 75, 70, 65, 64, 50, 55, which it'll never go. They'll never get that cold, but it is what it is. And as far as I know, there's no difference in the fan speeds. If I also remember correctly, it's very quiet. Just turn on to a low fan. So yes, you can hear it is very quiet. The fan also has a nice startup sound. Switch it over to high. There's no difference in fan speeds. It's basically nothing. Come on. There we go. Now I'll get you guys over by the compressor. I'm gonna do that. Horrendous sound, but we're just gonna ignore that. So let's get this compressor going. appears to have a charge, which is good. These compressors get a lot of hate. I think they sound awesome. In fact, they're like my second favorite. Or maybe my third, I don't know. They're still a favorite of mine. It's getting cold. It's already getting cold. Yeah, it's not cold up here either. It's actually kind of warm. We might as well just run it on high. It's actually very small too. It's starting to blow up now. Yeah, it's cold now. These earlier 410 units seem to be pretty good. I'll cut it off and we'll get some refrigerant sounds. Let's let this spin down. Okay, so that's it. And we'll do that one below it next. So that's it.